For millennia, we, as humans, looked up at the night sky and wondered, are we alone? Now imagine those points of light weren't distant suns, but planets. Imagine if every single one of those planets right here in our solar system teemed with life. Join me as we explore this tantalizing what-if and delve into the incredible potential of a living solar system. Let's start close to home with our hellish twin, Venus. A planet so hostile, with surface temperatures soaring to nearly 900 degrees Fahrenheit, and an atmosphere thick with sulfuric acid clouds. Imagine creatures not of flesh and bone, but of something far more resilient, able to withstand temperatures that could melt lead. These beings could thrive in an environment where conventional life would be incinerated in seconds. Now, picture yourself on Mars, not the barren red desert we see today, but a world painted in hues of green and blue. Envision vast oceans and sprawling forests, a planet teeming with life, transformed by human ingenuity or natural processes. Imagine Martian organisms, maybe subterranean, harnessing geothermal energy, their civilization built around those vents of warmth. These creatures could be thriving in hidden underground lakes, far from the harsh surface conditions. Think of Jupiter, a gas giant with creatures, buoyant, almost jellyfish-like, feeding off the energy of storms. These beings could float effortlessly in the planet's dense atmosphere, absorbing nutrients from the turbulent clouds. And what about Europa, Jupiter's icy moon? An ocean world, perhaps harboring bioluminescent life forms, their civilization thriving in the darkness. These creatures might illuminate the deep dark waters with their own light, creating a mesmerizing underwater world. Journey with me to Saturn's moon, Titan. Imagine methane-based life forms, navigating lakes and rivers of liquid methane. These beings could have entirely different biochemistry, thriving in an environment that would be toxic to us. And finally, consider Pluto, small and distant, yet perhaps harboring life in its subsurface ocean, a testament to life's tenacity. Even in the coldest reaches of our solar system, life could find a way to survive and flourish. Each planet, each moon, becomes a unique experiment in adaptation, a testament to life's ability to find a foothold, even in the most extreme environment. The universe is vast and full of possibilities, and life, in its many forms, is incredibly resilient. The implications of discovering life on our neighboring planets are staggering. Imagine the scientific revolution. Astrobiology, once a field of speculation, would explode with possibilities. The habitable zone, that narrow band where we believe life can exist, would be shattered. We'd have to redefine what habitable even means. Space exploration would take on a whole new urgency. Instead of searching for distant planets that might harbor life, we'd be racing to understand the incredible diversity of life right on our doorstep. The discovery of life in our solar system wouldn't just be a scientific revolution, it would be a technological, philosophical, and cultural one as well. Imagine the headlines, "Life found on Venus, and it's not alone." The world would be abuzz with excitement and curiosity. The impact on society would be profound. Religious beliefs, ethical considerations, our entire worldview, all thrown into question. Conversations would erupt in every corner of the globe. What does it mean to be human when we share our solar system with other intelligent beings? How would our identity evolve? What are our responsibilities to these life forms? How do we ensure peaceful coexistence? If life exists on 8 other planets in our solar system, the implications are staggering. The odds of finding life elsewhere in the cosmos skyrocket. Imagine the cultural exchange, the sharing of knowledge and wisdom, the art, the music, the traditions that could be shared and celebrated. The stories inspired by these discoveries would be endless, sparking imagination and creativity. The discovery of life beyond Earth would be a humbling experience, a profound shift in our understanding of existence, a reminder that we are just one species on one planet in a vast and mysterious universe. In a universe teeming with possibilities, our place in it would be redefined. It would be a call to action, a moment to reflect on our own stewardship of Earth, a challenge to become better stewards of our own planet, to protect and nurture it, and to reach out to these new life forms with curiosity and respect, fostering a future of mutual understanding and cooperation. Now, let's take this thought experiment one step further. Imagine the vastness of space and the countless stars and planets that exist within it. What if some of these life forms aren't just microbes or simple organisms, but intelligent beings? Imagine the possibilities. What kind of societies would they have built? What kind of technologies would they have developed? What if we could communicate with a civilization that evolved in the crushing atmosphere of Venus or the icy oceans of Europa? How would their experiences shape their understanding of the universe? What could we learn from them? Their knowledge could revolutionize our understanding of science, technology, and even philosophy. What could they teach us? Perhaps they have answers to questions we've yet to even ask. A solar system teeming with life wouldn't just be a scientific wonder, it would be a diplomatic challenge and an unprecedented opportunity. The exchange of ideas and cultures could lead to a new era of cooperation and understanding. We might discover that the universe isn't silent, but rather filled with the murmur of countless conversations, each one a testament to the incredible diversity of life. Each voice adding to the cosmic symphony. The search for life beyond Earth is ultimately a search for ourselves, a search for meaning and connection in a vast and often indifferent universe. It is a quest to find our place in the cosmos. So there you have it, a glimpse into a solar system where life isn't the exception, but the rule. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the universe and all its possibilities.